In this video, we're going to learn how to use the sales receipts when receiving cash sales from customers. So not every business is strictly sales that have been ordered over the phone or the internet. Sometimes there is walk-in business where customers come in and purchase items, and then usually they're rung out at a cash register, and then those sales receipts are collected, and then that entry needs to be made into QuickBooks, often at the end of each day. So we're going to do we're going to enter sales receipts. So we're going to, from our home page, we're going to click on the Create Sales Receipt button, and your sales receipt form will open. So we're making cash sales. So you go up to your customer, but instead of choosing a particular customer's name, we will have one in our list, in our customer list, called cash sales. If it's not there, there's always the Add New button, and you can create one that just keeps track of cash sales that we can use when we're doing a summary of cash sales for a particular period of time. And like I said, usually that's done on a daily basis. So we're going to just create this summary using the cash sales. So we're going to summarize what we've sold. So the first item that we've sold is the 4-month seasonal sessions, and we've sold 100 of them, and they were at $220 each. That's the correct amount that's in our system. The next item that we've sold is the 1 month of classes, so we'll choose that from our item list, and we sold 16 of those at $75 each, so that amount is correct. The third item that we sold is the single dance single dance or exercise class. So we sold 21 of those, and we sold those at $28 each as well. So that amount is correct as well. So you want to check those amounts, make sure that what you sold them at is the same as what's in the item list. If not, of course, you can always just scroll across it and type in the amount that you actually sold it at. Sometimes you have to do that because you've got items on sale. If you do that, you will get a message that pops up that says, do you want to keep that new rate in your item list? And you can decide at that point if it's a permanent new rate or if it was just this one-time sale thing. So you can change it if you like. We're going to gather these cash sales receipts as of September 10th of 2011. So we want to go in and make sure that we have changed the date. Again, QuickBooks keeps track of the number of sales receipts that we've created. We want to make sure that we're depositing these cash sales to an account called undeposited funds. We kind of collect them there, and then at one point we will deposit all of those funds and actually make a deposit to the bank. So we want to make sure that the 12,000 undeposited funds account is chosen. We've got the proper date. We've typed in or chosen the correct items. We've checked to make sure that the rates are correct. We notice that QuickBooks does the whole total. It includes the HST because the tax code for those items has applied HST. So the HST amount goes in there, and then we have a total sales receipt of $26,880.44. And then once we could put in our memo section, just if we want to note, we could put cash sales for week, and then we know that or if it was a daily thing, we could put cash sales for the day, whatever message we need to put in our system, so that if we needed to understand what that was about, we would be able to see it later. And then once we've done all of those things, then we can click Save and Close, and that's all we need to do for creating a sales receipt for cash sales.